Alright, now we're going to try and continue to build out this plastic system for the supercomputer. Considering I had to take a break yesterday to do some work, real work. And so, we're going to try to get this supercomputer thing working, and then we're also going to hunt hard drives and slugs, because we're going to need to overclock stuff. And I need to pick up this garbage that I have on the ground here. I don't need ingots. So many ingots. I'm taking down those constructors. And at some point I'm going to try to build a little factory, a little bit different style than I have been doing. To test out some of the things people have been playing with. Because again, I haven't played Factorio, so I have no idea how all of that really worked. I could guess, but I imagine with the way everyone is trying to make up all these efficiency blueprints and plans and everything, that it was a big deal in Factorio, I guess. All right. These are all, no. Some of them were plates, and some we put. Oh, that's right. I was going to run the belts in between these containers because there's just so many plates. All right, I need to use these plates, so I should probably set up some kind of production on the side here that does maybe reinforce the iron plates so that I can burn off a lot of this material. I mean, I use the reinforced iron plates in making the modular frames and the Mark II belts, so it's going to be a useful component regardless. And we're going to eventually need to make the heavy modular frames, which the modular frame is also one of the ingredients for that. So let's just build out this platform. I want to cover the whole water anyway. And I'm going to try, instead of putting factory in a whole nother location on the map, I'm going to try to keep everything right here. So I have a massive amount of space over this water that I can use still. So I have a lot of fun things I can do right here because it's a nice big area. Alright, so I was going to belt this through for containers. So let's go ahead and pull these through now. I'm gonna do, let's see, I'm gonna set these now right, I think I can do it here. That one is right in line, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. This one is in line here. Nice. All right. And we'll take this one here. I think that's still, double click. Is that straight? I think so. It is not straight. Alright, I'll take that to here. And just set up these belts so they just go through. I can set up containers on the other side. No problem. I don't have to disturb this stockpile I have right here. Worry about trying to put down personal containers and then transfer the contents, etc., etc. Okay, so let's just set down a new set of containers here. And it's not... Okay, that's odd. Why doesn't it line up? I'll have to eyeball it. That looks like it's good. Now I can use this container here as a an alignment for the rest. All I have to do then is get this alignment, which is not that one. All right. Can't see it. So boring. Why is this like this? It's rather tedious. Be nice if it would line up not just with the output of machines, but actually with belts as well. All right. All right, I'll just have to stand here and figure this out. This one lines up with the machine and the belt system. Right, and one last one. Okay. There we go. So our secondary plastic production is going nicely. Fantastic. And if I want, which I'm going to, I can still belt out all of this plating. And they can just stay there. And when they're empty, I'll just break them down. All right, so we need to take this plastic all the way over to the other side. And we don't have any immediate belt poles we can use here, the conveyor belt poles. So what we can do is just set them up to be horizontal, or perpendicular, you could say, here, and that way it'll pass through. Since we're not using the middle plate of here between these two belts, we can belt it going through in a crossing motion. So we're going to put mergers on these and get them set up together, going in that direction. So I don't have to merge this belt, so we'll just do, wait, I did not do, yeah, merger. Okay. And I want that. Yeah. Okay. Nice. And we'll run this out to here. I'd like for this to be rather nice angle. I think that's this one. It is not. Probably should use Mark IV belts on these output, or the overall joinings here, but I can always upgrade at any time as needed. I can still use Mark IV out of here, which is fine because I have a lot of convergence. And we're going to need to take it out here. And we're going to line this up. All right. So what we're going to do is sort of put this in line with here. And we'll bring it along at this second tier, second level. Like this. Here. And I want to look at where I'm going to be bringing this out. So it's probably, if I bring it across here, I can cross over these belts and then come out into this section and go straight into here for the supercomputer manufacturer, and then I can also break it off and go to the left here and go into, I need to go into this bottom splitter. No, the quick wires. The quick wire is already there in the top. So I need to come down into this bottom splitter as well. Wait a minute. I do need plastic for this supercomputer, right? Let's see. Yes, I do. Okay. And these are being made over here, and they are getting plastic as well. So I'm going to double split. So what I can do, since it needs to come across, oh, that's not so nice. This is really in the way here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a container back in here, and but I'm going to bend it around so what I don't have what I need, because that is in here. All right, put this down. I'm going to bend it around like that. And we're just going to bring it in. So I can still do the storage, but for right now it's just out of the way because I don't have any manufacturing needs for this. I just use them for Mark IV belts right now at this point. So we'll just dump that stuff in here, get it out of the way. One tiny bit at a time. Oh, you're kidding me. I gotta do more power. Okay. Really gets in the way of your plans. It's a lot of disruption. Unless you plan ahead far enough, but it takes resources to make those fuel generators. And I'm gonna still need at least one stack for Mark IV belts. All right. I don't really care about production right now. I want to just get the belts over here that I need. So we're gonna bring this out. That's a Mark III belt. So we're gonna try and bring this around as a 90, and it looks like I might end up moving. These belts over a little bit, because this is not straight, is it? Not a straight line. No, it's not. So I want to put this belt in line here with this belt so it can pass under. So let's do that. That was there, so we'll move it over one more. That'll still come out nice. Alright, and it goes into there. Because now I can run this belt nice and neat through here. And everything is still in line. Alright, so I'll be bringing my belt over here, and I'm going to have a power pole right in my way. That's lovely. I'll move it. There we go, too high. Right here. Too high. And we're already too high there, so I wonder, we could probably just go straight into that, but it's not really, I don't like the way it's curving there. So let's try it from here and see if we get a nice 90-degree bend of sorts. Yes, we do. So we'll remove this one. No. This to there. And I don't have enough. Time to fill up again. The jetpack uses your velocity that you have. So if you hit something and you sort of get bumped up, you slow down with your forward motion, and that causes your jetpack to just keep projecting the same speed that you're already going. So it's kind of nice to be able to sprint and jump up. Yes. Take this and drop off that. And we'll take another one. And I'm out of fuel. That's why I just have this little meter constantly flashing. So I'm going to run over and get more fuel. Siphon some fuel out of the system. Just grab another 100, which is probably just hanging out in the oil refinery right here. 84, I'll take it. And the jetpack refills. Cool. Back to work. Not sure how much power we need, but we can add another 150 megawatts and just test that out. We don't have these 3 manufacturers running yet, so they're going to be drawing more power. So probably 2 more fuel generators is what I need, I think. All right, I love the jetpack. All right. And we're gonna bring this way. So I'm gonna take this up kind of early out of here. And then we're going to go to the double height. No, need to go one more. We'll go to a double height here. There we go. All right, plastic is flying there. Connect this through. Now we could just curve this now and bring it in line here. I'm gonna do that. Then I don't have to worry about shutting power down. I think, yeah, I'm gonna have to move that one spot more. Yeah. All right, and we'll go down to a Go down to 1 here. And go down to ground level here. A little back and forth. And our plastic is well on its way. Feeding the machine. Both machines, in fact. We only need 3 ingredients, so now we have the quick wire, the cable, and the plastic. So what is this power problem we have? So we're making 1.75 gigawatts. 1750 megawatts. We probably are using 1751. So let's queue up a to-do list of 2 fuel generators and get what we need. I have motors being made already, so that's fine. We got that. And let's see what we need for the heavy modular frames. We're missing pipe. And, oh, okay. So we can make 2 of those. We need 6, yes. Okay, so let's try that. Let's get 2 pipes. Now there's, the container is filling up because the conveyor belts are carrying the excess out of the machines that have been backed up. The power isn't on, so there's not being made, but there's still a backup of materials. A stockpile. We can make 4 of these. We need 2 more, and looks like we need more modular frames, and we're going to need more screws. So let's go to that area and see what we can find there. This is really cool stuff. Oh, this belt doesn't go the way I wanted it to go. You can use the belts to kind of speed up your direction, which is pretty nice. If they're going in the direction you need to go, that is. All right. Screws. Oops. That would be, yeah, let's take some rods and make some screws. And we need modular frames, which are right here. And I'm just out of space. I'm just gonna dump some of this. And I don't want that, I want another full stack. Cool. Then I should probably take another set of rods, stack of rods, so that I can make more screws. There we go. All right. Now this belt is going in the right direction, so what I can use this belt for is to accelerate I can just stay on it and do nothing, and I will just travel. I'll get there. I can also sprint on it, and I can also then use the velocity that the belt gave me to fly faster. Like this. Okay. So we're going to make these now, and then we're going to take a small pause because my stream is choppy and I do not like that, so I want to fix that. I'm going to make 4 more because I want to have 2 extra just in case. Probably have to make another fuel generator. Oh, I didn't grab the motors while I was over there. That's right here. Let's grab, we need, there we go. All right, so we're gonna take a small break and we'll be right back. And we'll continue to build the fuel generators.